That's a lovely walk. Lovely walk. She's tracking up. And you can feel your left hip, right hip coming forward and forward. So now if you don't let those hips come forward as much, then she'll start taking have less movement with her backhand. Like already that's a little less. And you can feel that, eh? It is. But again, it's like Braille with your bum, right? You just have to start getting your bum educated. And now let your hips swing again. Yeah. And can you feel it's about a 2-stride delay between your hips for her starting to move more? Okay. And then shorten it up again, so have your hips not swing so much. See, and there you're having a harder time slowing it down. Yeah, there you go. I'm sorry?